The Farmer and the Snake Story in English. Once upon a time there was a farmer. One day he was coming back from his field. It was very cold. He saw a snake. It was half dead with cold. The farmer was a kind man. He felt pity. He brought the snake home. He put it near the fire. It began to move. He gave milk to drink. The farmer's son was sitting near the fire. It tried to bite him. The farmer was very angry. He killed the snake with his stick. Moral: a wicked person deserves punishment. Thank you.